Guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So for today's video I'll be reviewing 3 lipsticks that I got from Catrice Cosmetics. Now I have a few more lipsticks with me, but I'll be making separate videos of them because this is lipsticks from just one range, and these are called the Ultimate Matte Lipstick. That's it. It's supposed to be very matte lipsticks. So I have 3 of them in the shades 010 Coffee Matte Moiselle, 090 Exotic Nude, and 020 from Rose with Love. So I selected these shades from the website and I asked my dad to get these for me, and I hope these are good. So if you're seeing this, it's because there was a sticker, like a tape, like a cello tape here, so that's why I removed it and it got dirty. I don't know how. So you have the stickers at the bottom which shows you the shade names, the shade numbers, and if you see here you get 3.8 grams of product, which is actually very good, I would say, because MAC has 3 grams, so this has zero point 0.8 grams more and it's much cheaper than MAC. Just for comparison's sake, I have my Huda Beauty Powerbullet and I have my Catrice lipstick, and look at how similar it is. This is like so damn similar. The bullet looks extremely similar, but the price difference is actually unbelievable. I want to see how the lipstick feels when I apply it on my lips, but as of now, by looking at the lipstick, it looks the same, but the price difference is just unbelievable because Huda Beauty ranges in, like, it's almost about to touch 2000 rupees, and this one is just a few hundred rupees. That's it. So yeah, the price difference is like huge. So I have finished swatching these 3 lipsticks, and I swear, okay, I promise you, these are the same thing as the Huda Beauty Powerbullet lipsticks. I cannot even imagine that, Huda charges like so much money for the same lipstick that actually costs so less in, when Catrice is selling the same thing. I don't know what to say, but all I can say is that don't spend tons of money on the Powerbullet lipsticks. If you can somehow get these lipsticks, like, I know it's not available in India, but if you can somehow ask someone, some relative, some family friend living outside to get these lipsticks for you, or if you can find these lipsticks anywhere you go while you're traveling, pick them up. Seriously, pick them up as soon as you see them, because these are very affordable and these are very good quality. And I don't even know how Huda charges like so much money for these same quality lipsticks. Really, I don't understand these brands. But anyway, I highly recommend this. Okay, I highly recommend this. I think this is mind blowing because I've literally found a dupe for a very expensive lipstick that everyone's going crazy over, saying, "Oh my God, the Powerbullet lipstick so good. Yeah, you have to buy it. Blah blah blah." But this is amazing. This is the same thing. This is the same thing, but you're paying much less for this. And I actually converted the price of this into Indian rupees, and this costs 360 rupees only. 360 rupees compared to $25 for the Huda Beauty. which is I think 1800 or 1900 rupees. I mean, come on, that is a huge difference. That is a very huge difference. Do you have to pay that much money for the same lipstick? No, you don't have to. So buy this. Buy this over that, because this is the same thing. I don't understand why do people run behind Huda Beauty and all these things. Anyway, so yes, please pick these lipsticks up. If you have any of the Huda Beauty Powerbullet lipsticks and you like it and you want something that's the exact same thing but in a much cheaper price, pick these up. These are the same thing. Okay, anyway, I really I really do highly recommend these lipsticks because of how good they are and how affordable they are. And yeah, if you, by the way, I just want to say I forgot to review these lipsticks. So these are lightweight, just like the Huda Beauty ones, lightweight, and you can see these are matte. These are very comfortable. It's not enhancing the dryness or anything. It's really really good. And plus this shade especially, it's good for all skin tones. It's going to look great. It's like a darker nude color, but it's going to look good on all skin tones. And yes, if you like this review, I mean, it's not exactly like a review, but still, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.